Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to create an LLC on LegalZoom. So make sure to stick around till the very end and I will walk you through the step-by-step instructions for establishing your LLC successfully on LegalZoom. First, you need to open LegalZoom in your browser, then navigate to the LLC page. On the LLC page, take note of available options such as business and business formation. These sections provide insights into the range of services offered for confident LLC formation. Scroll down to review the available plans. Basic at $0, Pro at $249, and Premium at $299. Choose the plan that suits your business needs. In the basic section, you will find the article of organization, a necessary document needed for the official registration of your LLC within the state. Additionally, there is a name check service to confirm the availability of your preferred business name. Enjoy a free compliance filing service for 1 year, ensuring adherence to state compliance requirements. Establish your professional online presence within minutes with a customizable website powered by Wix. In the Pro section, you can discover essential elements such as an operating agreement, an employer identification number, access to over 150 customizable legal documents, and unlimited e-signatures for 1 year. Also, you can benefit from an initial phone consultation with specialists regarding business insurance and taxes. In the premium plan, receive hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney selected based on state, years of experience, and rating. Enjoy unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations within the first 30 days and the flexibility to make changes to your LLC formation documents during this initial period. Click on See Detailed Features for an in-depth comparison, enabling you to make an informed decision. Scroll down to review additional details on your screen, including available support channels such as email, chat, and phone, and email, chat, and phone. Scroll back up and select a plan. For instance, for my LLC for free from the basic section. Enter your business name. Examples given are Project 1 Consulting, and click Next. Add your business location by selecting your state and clicking Next. Set up your LLC details, including entity type and state of formation. Click Next. Specify the primary contact by entering your email address and phone number, and click Next. Since your business is in consulting, select consulting as the industry type, then click Next. Ensure compliance by reviewing options for a registered agent, essential documents, and compliance filings, then click Next. Relax with LegalZoom's registered agent service, categorized as legally required, easy choice, and great value. Go for the great value option, priced at $199 for the first year with annual renewals. Then, click Continue with LegalZoom. Choose an operating agreement plan of $99, $159, and $199. Select the one that aligns with your requirements. On the next page, select No Thanks if you prefer to manage all compliance needs independently. If needed, secure the necessary business licenses and permits for $99. Click Add Business Licenses and Permits. Simplify keeping track of your finances by choosing between LZ Books $9.99 or LZ Books Assist at $29.99. Pick one or select No Thanks, I'll manage my bookkeeping. Separate your personal and business finances with a business bank account. You have two options, Novo and Bank of America. Choose the one that suits you or click No Thanks. Explore additional enhancements such as expedited processing of $99 and Founder's Kit of $99. Make your selections and click Next. Review the summary, including expedited processing, operating agreement plus EIN, and the registered agent's cost. Check the Delaware filing fee of $140, bringing the total to $497. Then, click Continue to checkout. Choose for either monthly payments or a one-time payment. Enter your payment information. Scroll down and click Agree and Pay Now to finalize your order and complete the payment process. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.